we have a pot of boiling water here. And we're gonna cook our pancit canton, Lucky Me pancit canton. You can use any flavor, just the normal way that you cook your noodles. So once your noodles are cooked, set aside and let cool, so that when you mix the eggs don't cook with the noodles. So once your noodles are cooked and drained, put them in a container and let them cool. Now that your noodles has cooled down, we're gonna add our chopped bell peppers. This is just one bell pepper. And then we're gonna put in the Lucky Me honey mansi powder that comes with your pancit canton. We're also gonna put the oil and the soy sauce that comes with your Lucky Me pancit canton. And then our 2 eggs, we beated it, and now we're just gonna mix it. Make sure all the noodles is covered in egg and it's all incorporated. On the side, get a pan and put your 4 tablespoons of oil and heat that. Once hot, pour the mixture in and make your fried pancit canton. Once your oil is nice and hot, we're going to add in the mixture. Once the other side is cooked, you have to flip your mixture. The other side is cooked, we're ready to serve. So just remove it from the oil. Drain and put in a plate. And there you have it. Fried pancit canton.